Natural light has a powerful impact on how a home feels. Bright spaces appear more open, inviting, and comfortable, while darker rooms can feel smaller and less welcoming. For homeowners in Pasadena looking to improve interior brightness without major structural changes, Bow Windows offer an elegant and highly effective solution. Their curved design and multiple glass panels allow daylight to flow more freely throughout the home, transforming interior spaces in meaningful ways. Capturing light from multiple angles. One of the standout features of Bow Windows is their ability to capture sunlight from different angles throughout the day. Unlike flat windows that only allow light from a single direction, Bow Windows extend outward and include several glass panels arranged in a gentle curve. For Pasadena interiors, this design means more consistent daylight from morning to evening. As the sun moves, light enters through different panes, reducing harsh shadows and creating a softer, more balanced glow throughout the room. Brightening deeper interior spaces. Rooms with limited window exposure often struggle with uneven lighting. Bow Windows help solve this problem by pulling daylight deeper into the interior. Their outward projection allows light to spread across a wider area, reaching parts of the room that might otherwise remain dim. Pasadena homeowners often notice that spaces with Bow Windows feel brighter overall, even on overcast days. This improved daylight distribution reduces reliance on artificial lighting and creates a more pleasant living environment. Enhancing visual openness. Light isn't just about brightness, it's also about perception. Bow Windows make rooms feel more open by visually expanding the space. The curved glass design draws the eye outward, creating a sense of depth that flat windows can't achieve. In Pasadena homes, this added visual openness helps interiors feel larger and more breathable. Even smaller rooms benefit from the sense of expansion that Bow Windows provide. Softening light for comfortable living. Direct sunlight can sometimes feel harsh, especially in rooms with large windows. Bow Windows help soften incoming light by dispersing it across multiple panels. This creates a more comfortable level of brightness without overwhelming the space. Pasadena homeowners appreciate how Bow Windows balance light and comfort. Rooms feel well lit without excessive glare, making them ideal for living areas, dining rooms, and bedrooms. Supporting interior design and ambiance. Daylight plays a major role in interior design. Bow Windows enhance decor by providing even lighting that highlights furniture, textures, and colors naturally. With better daylight flow, interiors feel warmer and more inviting. In Pasadena interiors, Bow Windows often become focal points that elevate the overall atmosphere of a room. Whether paired with minimal window treatments or soft furnishings, they contribute to a polished and comfortable design. Creating light-filled gathering spaces. Rooms with Bow Windows naturally draw people in. The combination of light, openness, and visual interest makes these spaces ideal for relaxing or gathering. The area around a bow window often becomes a favorite spot in the home. Pasadena homeowners frequently use bow window areas as seating nooks, reading spaces, or simply a place to enjoy natural light throughout the day. This functional use of light enhances daily living, improving mood and well-being. Natural daylight has been shown to support mood and overall well-being. Bright interiors feel more uplifting and energizing, contributing to a positive home environment. By improving daylight flow, Bow Windows help Pasadena homeowners create spaces that feel calm, cheerful, and comfortable. This emotional benefit adds to the practical advantages of increased natural light. A timeless way to transform interiors. Bow Windows offer a timeless solution for improving daylight without changing the home's footprint. Their elegant design and functional benefits make them a smart choice for homeowners looking to enhance interior brightness. For Pasadena interiors, Bow Windows improve daylight flow in a way that feels natural, balanced, and enduring. By bringing in more light, softening its distribution, and creating a sense of openness, they transform living spaces into brighter, more inviting environments that are enjoyable year-round.